What's up, Pyros? It's been a while. It's just been one of those kind of years. You know, we all have them. Struggles. But I managed to get a few things. And I'm not done yet. I think I have one more pickup to do. Definitely one more. I'll pick up DH, the 100 shot. And then I think I might be picking up 88 shot MM. I'm not sure yet. And there might be a chance that I'll be hooking up with somebody, but you know, if that falls through, it's still good. But I got a few things already, and then I'm gonna show you what I have left from last year, an updated one. So let's get started. Picked up a Beware of the Dog, 49 shot, Lucky Revenge, Tsunami, Light Up Your Night. What was that? 36 shot. Assassin, 36 shot. This was highly recommended by one of our own. I seen the video of it, but out of respect, I'm not going to say no names. So, I mean, if you look hard enough, you'll find it. Outcast, 49 shots. Not your average big cock, obviously. Awesome. Wild West. And then, it's a 187 shot. Y'all know what that is. And then that's pretty much all for my new stuff, but I still got a few things coming. Here's my leftover stuff. Bump of the Night, Lightning Storm, awesome cakes. Tequila Sunrise, the Tiger Cake, Tony the Tiger. For the Dawn, Wicked Waves, Magical Storm, Alien Resurrection. Y'all know that one below that. Aces, 3 Hoodlums, couple Big and Bads. Couple For Your Eyes Only. What the Hell? A few Nightlighters. Eye of the Beholder. A couple Breaking Bads. A couple Umbrella Corps. Bad Company. 3 New Bloods. Breaking Bad by Hardcore Pyro. Matrix Assassin. If anybody's seen this, shoot me a message because I have no idea. Got it last year and I still haven't found a video on it. Deep Impact, Rebellion, Silent Hell, a couple Smurfs, Wonderland, from your Big and Bads, or Big Attitudes I should say. Couple Minions, Combat Zone, Angry Birds, Candy Crush, and Asteroids, With the World, Surprise, which is a very nice cake. Comes from my other stuff, Winda, Color Cascade. I like Falling Leaves, those are cool. Candy Bang, stuff Falling Leaves. Dropping. I just came across this at one store and I decided to look it up and I got home and it's actually a nice, decent, fast-paced cake. You know, look it up if you get a chance. Cheers. It's got some nice colors in it. Treasure Hunter, Jolly Roger, Zombie Driver, True Art, Super Stunt, Killer Cake, Point Break, Spacewalking, Wire, Zombie Attack, Maddox and Rampage in the Sky, and then I have just some random stuff. I still got some shells. I didn't buy any shells this year. I came across some today, a case, and look, it's pretty interesting. So, I mean, all I could say is it's got animals on it. Sounds weird, but I mean, some of you guys might know what case I'm talking about, what brand. I mean, the brand's not what the animals are all about, but you know, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's just an unusual box. I got some nice hitters right here. Thunderations, some super spuds, a few orange, but that's about it for those. Willows. I have this $1 million candle. Self-explanatory. And I got a couple of these extreme rockets. And then, last but not least, Hooked, Area 51, a couple of creepy freak shows, Gangster Bang, Kamen Rider, Russell Spirit, Purple Haze. If anybody has seen these two, or know how I can find it, a video of it, let me know. I'm not sure where it is. I have a good idea, but it'd be nice to know before I shoot it. A couple black labels, always nice, and Turn It Loose. But that's pretty much it. Don't know how much more I'm gonna buy besides the 100-shot DH that I'm picking up, and maybe 88-shot MM. I'm not sure about that one now. And then if I connect with this one guy, but that's about it. You guys take it easy, and I'll talk to you later.